Hi, I'm Nathan Thornberry with Residential Warranty Services, and many of you don't know me, but I might be working with your customers. And the reason I am is because we work with some of the best home inspectors, over 5,000 of them throughout the U.S. and Canada. One of them who challenges my ability to say city names often is Michael Wickland with Sterling Inspections in Washington State. And I was just looking through some claims for him today, and I found one from Meg in Enumclaw, Washington. You guys have the strangest names up there. Puyallup is one. I think it's Puyallup or Puyallup. Anyway, so after she moves in, she has a home inspection. There's all sorts of issues with the house, but nothing big. She moves in. She has a sink that leaks. Just a simple bathroom sink that's leaking. And what does she do? She calls her real estate agent. Hey, I just bought this house. I just had a home inspection. What do I do? And her real estate agent knows that Michael Wickland provides a 90-day warranty from Residential Warranty Services for structural and mechanical issues, including those very frequent and inconvenient and sometimes expensive sink leaks. Now, this one wasn't too bad. I think the total cost was a $457 plumbing trip. Some of it was for some things that were noted in the inspection, but about half of it was new repairs. And if she had used any other home inspector that did not offer a 90-day warranty, and not just a guarantee on their work, I'm talking a warranty for future occurrences, then she would be out all of that money. That is real money, and it happens all the time. Everything in a home will eventually break. And if you're a real estate agent, your clients are judging your performance by how good their experience is in purchasing a home. And that first 90 days after the inspection, the first month after closing, which is basically the length of the warranty you'll get from Sterling Inspection, that's what they're looking at, and that's what they're deciding whether they refer other buyers to you or other sellers to you based on. And 90+% of issues that home buyers and home sellers have in the transaction has to do with property condition issues. For more information on that, go to thesavvyagent.net. It's an online book for real estate agents. Or you can go to homeinspectionsurvey.com, the largest survey of home buyers in the world's history for home inspections. And there's about 30 or 40 questions that were asked there to tens of thousands of current and soon-to-be home buyers. And you'll find that over 96% of home buyers, a statistical 100%, are looking for a home inspector like Sterling that offers a warranty with their inspection. They don't want to call the day after the inspection and be told, sorry, that's the cost of home ownership. It is 2018. People are looking for coverage. Just a fact of life. God bless America.